Disposable rubber gloves are absolutely necessary when you're working with peppers. You just don't want to work with the pepper and then get something in your eye and rub it. You'll be really sorry, really sorry. I like the taste of the jalapenos, but I don't want pieces in there. So I've got this little chopper, and with my rubber gloves on, I seeded it, took the veins out, and chopped it just a little bit and put it in here. Well, it needs a little bit of liquid in order to kind of puree that jalapeno in there, so I put a little bit of the sour cream in it. I put the lime juice in it, and I also put a clove of garlic in it, a little bit of cilantro. Mix it up, and now I'm just going to mix what's in here into the rest of the sour cream. Into the rest of the sour cream. And you're probably thinking, okay, all these good dips, what the heck am I supposed to dip in? That's going to be low sodium. Well, lattes would be good in here. And on a trip to Oregon, I'm in a little bitty store up in the mountains, and I found these potato chips, Kettle brand, unsalted. The whole bag has 40 milligrams of sodium. Got back to Phoenix, I had a hard time finding them. Finally found them in one store, not the one up on my corner. So I went up to customer service and told them what I wanted because they carry Kettle brand potato chips. About 2 weeks later, they're in my store. I did call the Kettle company, and they said that what goes in the store is up to the distributors, and they don't keep track of who does what. If you can't find any unsalted potato chips, Google where to purchase unsalted potato chips, and it will tell you. You can get these on Amazon, but there's different stores in different parts of our country that carry different ones, and they'll tell you. I've got potato chips, my potato chips here, and I've got my dip mixed up. Jalapenos are really little. This is going to be good. We got company coming tomorrow night. Half a cup, 42 milligrams of sodium. Whole bag of chips, 40 milligrams of sodium. This is nice to have.